Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about understanding match types and when to use them on Amazon. Let's get into it. Advertising on Amazon can be complex, even for experienced sellers. One of the most critical aspects of running a successful PPC campaign is understanding match types. Choosing the right match type can determine whether your ads reach the right audience or if they waste budget on irrelevant searches. Amazon provides 3 match types: broad, phrase, and exact. Each one influences how keywords interact with customer search terms. Broad match is the most flexible. It allows ads to appear for searches that contain the keyword in any order, including variations in related terms. For example, if the keyword is yellow balloon, a broad match campaign might trigger ads for searches like balloon for parties or big yellow balloon. This match type is useful for discovering new keywords, but can also result in irrelevant traffic if not monitored carefully. Phrase match provides more control, ensuring that the keyword appears in the search term in the same sequence. If yellow balloon is the phrase match keyword, ads may show for big yellow balloon for parties or buy yellow balloon online, but not for balloon yellow. This match type helps target broader searches while maintaining relevance. Exact match is the strictest, displaying ads only when the search term matches the keyword exactly or with minor variations. If yellow balloon is an exact match keyword, the ad will appear for searches like yellow balloon or yellow balloons, but not for yellow balloon for parties. Exact match is ideal for targeting high-converting searches. When launching a new product, focusing on exact and phrase match is recommended to ensure ads are shown to the most relevant audience. This approach maximizes conversion potential while minimizing unnecessary ad spend. After gathering data, broad match campaigns can be introduced to discover additional keywords. The insights gained from broad match search term reports can be used to refine phrase and exact match campaigns. To optimize broad match campaigns, it is essential to use negative keywords. Since broad match can trigger ads for loosely related searches, adding negative keywords helps prevent budget waste. For example, if selling helium-filled yellow balloons, adding negative keywords like water balloons or balloon animal kits can help maintain relevance. In summary, exact match is used for high-converting searches, phrase match helps expand reach while maintaining relevance, and broad match is used for keyword discovery. Utilizing match types effectively can improve ad performance and budget efficiency. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.